Hi, my name is Alyssa Whalen, and this is my campaign summary from the last week. So I was doing a campaign for my ebook. It is a ebook that teaches brides how to choose their wedding photographers. I am a wedding photographer, and being one, obviously, I know things that people should consider when choosing a photographer, but the average person probably doesn't know those things or think about those things. So I wanted to create a guide to help them and educate them, not necessarily so they choose me as their wedding photographer, but so they can know the things to ask and inquire about so that they get the best wedding photographer for them within their budget. So what it covers is questions to ask a photographer. This is to make sure that the photographer is good and well prepared. The average cost of what a wedding photographer is. This is so you can kind of gauge if you're getting your money's worth with a photographer, whether that's a low budget or a high budget. Three things that should always be included in your contract. You should always have a contract, and then things that should always be included to cover you and your photographer. Should you get a wedding videographer too? That's another question a lot of people have. And I kind of talk about that and the pros and cons. And then I have a little bonus at the end of how to be comfortable in front of the camera. 90% of people are not comfortable when they get in front of a camera and freeze, and so this is just kind of a little bonus chapter to help them to prepare for that wedding day. So my marketing plan was to target the newly engaged women around the age of 23 to download my ebook. The population we live in Rexburg, Idaho, obviously is a little younger than the national average. So I kind of tried to pick a good middle ground. I was using Facebook to create ads. I was going to post once a day with images and videos encouraging people to click the link and download. One post a day with different chapters that I was focusing on, and then generate leads to my website and potential clients. So after the 7 days or 5 posts, these were my Facebook results. I do not have really anybody following my photography page on Facebook, so I didn't expect much. So these few things were really happy results. So the first 2 days I got 1 view each. Then we kind of had a lull, especially over the weekend. And then it started going up, of course, until today I got 4. So this is a little lower than other posts. I think because usually my posts aren't salesy, and these were kind of salesy clickbait posts. People just weren't engaging with it as much, and it wasn't reaching as many people. So what I learned is that Facebook can be a useful tool, but it's probably not the best tool for marketing for my platform. Marketing to an audience you don't have yet can be really hard, and you'd probably have to put money behind it to get any real good results. The quality of your content is most important. I learned that my audience does not like salesy things, so learning to rebrand my ebook in a way that isn't salesy would probably serve me best. Thank you for watching.